Howard, your work is a lot about the extinct birds. What drew you to this subject?
My primary way in was beauty. These lost birds were beautiful species, and as I learned about them, I was more and more drawn to capture something of their life. In addition to that, I think forgetting is a kind of extinction. So, working as a sculptor to keep the memory of these birds alive through the beauty of sculpture is, I think, the best I can do as an artist.
This has been such a great opportunity to demonstrate this, and to have it here at the house. If Ann Norton were here today, she would welcome this, absolutely, because the garden is just where she was hoping that nature would bloom and art would bloom with it. Thank you so very much.
You're very welcome. It's a big honor.